Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm giving you the part 2 on using the GoPro for shooting improvements in standard videos. So once you shot your video, you're going to go ahead and open up the side latch here. And first you're going to want to pull out the battery by the tab. Next what you're going to want to do is remove the micro SD, which is right here. So all you do is you push forward on it and it ejects, and then you're good to slide it out. So what you're going to need to do next is grab the SD card adapter from the case here. You just open it up like so and slide the SD card in with the print facing up. Next, to get the files onto your computer, what you're going to do is, using a computer that's got an SD card reader, go ahead and just pop that in. And now we're going to go ahead and open up a new file explorer, and we're going to see this SDHC. Go ahead and double click on DCIM, then open GoPro, and you're going to see all the videos here. So this last one was the one that we shot, so I'm just going to copy it into the videos folder. You can copy it to your desktop, your downloads, wherever you like. But that's where this one is going. And now these are older videos and they've already been uploaded. So now that we're done with the SD card, we could go ahead and right click on it and we're going to format it. This is going to erase everything that's on it. So go ahead and click start and then OK.